Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Dr. Eggman from Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Dr. Eggman from Sonic, let's begin with his eyebrows. So let's start right here. We're just going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come back and then down again with the check mark. And then right here we're going to go down, we're going to come up really high and then down. Next, starting here, let's make like a smiley face shape for his eye. And then this one's going to be more of a circle. Let's make two diagonal lines that come across in each one. So it kind of shows the reflection in his glasses. For the nose, let's just make a line that comes down on each side. And we'll curve this down to a rounded point and back. Let's make a line that's going to go up and then down. And then let's make a line that's just going to curve across. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Now let's make his big mustache. So starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go right underneath the eye. We're going to come out to here. We'll bring it in a little bit. Then we're going to make it come out again, and we'll come back. Then we'll make it go out one more time, and we're going to bring this right to the tip of the nose. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to bring this line up to a point and then in. We'll make this come out to a point and in. And then we'll make one more that comes down to a point and then bring it back towards the tip of the nose. Now let's make his arm over here. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out and then down and in. Let's curve it across and come up. We'll make another little curve here. And one in here. Next, let's make a little curved line on each side. And another little line that just comes around here for the cuff. We can put a circle on there for a little button. Now right here, let's make two little smaller curves to start his glove. Then for his fingers, we're going to come down and loop it around. Little line and then a curve here. Let's make another bump. One right here. Then we're going to make one that's going to come down and up. We'll jump up here. Then we'll make the thumb that just kind of loops around and comes up. We'll put a little curve there. Next, over here, let's make his other arm. So we'll start by drawing a line that's going to curve out. We'll make another one here. Little line that's going to go up, and we'll bring it over. We're going to make a line that's going to go kind of wiggly as it comes up, and same thing here, it's kind of wiggly. Then we'll just come in and around. We'll make two lines that come up, and a little curve. Then connect these. We'll bring this line up and into here. Then I'm going to curve a line that's just going to come around, and we're going to come up and down for his pinky. We'll make a curved line. Then we'll come up and curve it around for one of the fingers, and we'll come down. We'll make another one right here, and then one right here. So it looks like he's holding on to his mustache. We'll just kind of bring this line in. Now, starting right here, before we finish off this arm, let's kind of shape out the body. So I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve this around all the way to the hand. Then I'm going to bring this line down and up. Next, starting here, we're just going to curve another line to kind of shape out his pants. Then I'm going to draw a big point down here and another big point down here for some detail on his clothes. Let's make an oval here and another oval right there. And then we'll work on his legs. So his legs, we're just going to curve in and out, in and out. Same thing here, in and out, and in and out. Let's make a long line that goes down and then comes back. And then same thing here. This one's going to kind of come out and then back up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Dr. Eggman. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.